Question 1. How many continents are there on planet Earth?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Correct answer, 7. Question 2. In what year was Kevin Russ baptized? 866, 988, 1054, 1240. Correct answer, 988. Question 3. What is the capital city of Spain? Barcelona,
Seville,
Valencia, Madrid. Correct answer, Madrid. Friends, support our channel by liking this video and subscribing. It really helps us out. Let's move on. Question 4. In what year was the city of Moscow founded? 862, 988, 1147, 1240. Correct answer, 1147. Question 5. Which continent is the driest on the planet? Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Asia. Correct answer, Australia. Question 6. Which document declared the independence of the United States? U.S. Constitution, Declaration of the Rights of Man, Declaration of Independence, Magna Carta. Correct answer, Declaration of Independence. Question 7. Who was the last emperor of the Russian Empire? Alexander II, Nicholas I, Nicholas II, Paul I. Correct answer, Nicholas II. Question 8. In which country is Mount Everest located? India, China, Nepal, Pakistan. Correct answer, Nepal. Question 9. What is the largest desert on Earth? Sahara, Gobi, Kalahari, Atacama. Correct answer, Sahara. Question 10. Which country has the largest population? India, USA, China, Indonesia. Correct answer, China. Question 11. In which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located? Indian, Pacific, Southern, Atlantic. Correct answer, Atlantic Ocean. Question 12. How many chromosomes does a human have? 23, 46, 44, 48. Correct answer, 46. Question 13. Which organ filters blood in the human body? Heart, liver, kidneys, lungs. Correct answer, kidneys. Question 14. What is the rarest natural hair color in the world?
Black,
Dark blonde,
red, light brown.
Correct answer, red. That was our final question for today. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow. We're already working on the next one. See you soon.